In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install BlueStacks 4. Even though BlueStacks 5 is the latest version, you may still want BlueStacks 4 for compatibility reasons. This is particularly useful for certain apps or games that may not work well with the newer version. So, let's get started with the installation process. First, open your web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you prefer. You will see the familiar homepage of your chosen browser. It is essential to use a reliable browser to ensure a smooth download process. Once your browser is open, you will be ready to navigate to the next step. Next, go to the official BlueStacks website. You can do this by typing in the URL directly or searching for BlueStacks in your search engine. This step is important because downloading from the official site ensures you get the most secure and legitimate software. Once the page loads, you will notice a clean interface with options and information about BlueStacks. Now download the BlueStacks 4 installer that is compatible with your PC. Look for the download button that specifically mentions BlueStacks 4. This button is usually prominent on the homepage. Clicking it will start the download process. You will see a progress bar indicating that the file is being downloaded. This step is crucial because it ensures you get the correct version tailored for your system. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file on your computer. This file will typically be in your Downloads folder. To start the installation, double-click the installer file, which will have a .exe extension. This action will launch the installation wizard. You should see a window pop up with options to proceed with the installation. If prompted by user account control, click Yes. This is a security feature in Windows that asks for permission to allow the software to make changes to your system. It's important to allow this as it ensures you can install software without issues. After you click Yes, the installation process will continue and you will be presented with additional options. Now click Install Now if you want to proceed with the standard installation. Alternatively, you can choose Customize Installation if you want to change the installation folder or select other options. Most users will find the default settings suitable. This step is important because it allows you to tailor the installation to your preferences. Wait while BlueStacks downloads and installs the required files. During this time, you will see a progress indicator showing the installation status. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and computer performance. It's essential to be patient here, as interrupting the process can lead to incomplete installation. When the installation is complete, BlueStacks 4 will launch automatically. You will see the BlueStacks interface appear on your screen, welcoming you to the application. This indicates that the installation was successful, and now you're ready to use BlueStacks. Finally, sign in with your Google account to access the Google Play Store and install Android apps and games. This step is crucial to fully utilize BlueStacks, as it allows you to download your favorite apps and games just like you would on an Android device. You will see a prompt on the screen asking for your login details. Once you enter this information, you're all set to explore the world of Android apps right on your PC. Remember, BlueStacks 4 is considered a legacy version and no longer receives feature updates. If you don't specifically need BlueStacks 4, consider using BlueStacks 5 for better performance. Thank you for watching and enjoy your experience with BlueStacks 4.